Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can merge two or more objects and shapes on your canvas in Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example canvas and remove these objects here and start with new objects. So let me add a rectangle and also a circle, and now I would like to merge both of them. Now, if you, for example, group them by selecting both of them by pressing left shift on your keyboard and by left clicking into them one after another, you may right click into one of them and group them. This is not going to merge them, as you can see. There are now one group, so if you left click into the group you may move them, but they're not one object. So if you, for instance, ungroup them and move your object, your second object, above the first one, you will see that overlap, and in this case here, grouping the object is not going to solve the issue either, because you will see that overlapping here. So how can you fix this? Well, you may fix this by not grouping, but by merging these two objects. So let me move that circle here again over that rectangle. Left click into it, then press and hold left shift on your keyboard to select the second one by left clicking into it. And then guys, navigate to the path tool here and use the shortcut Ctrl++, or use the union merge feature. And that's it. Now, as you can see, the overlap has disappeared and both objects have been merged into one. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.